Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the Encryption GUI simulator, a tool for simulating AES, RSA, and quantum encryption. First, open your terminal and navigate into your Encryption GUI simulator folder. Now run the app using this command: Python3 app.py debug URL will appear. Copy and paste it into your browser. For this demonstration, I'm using Safari. Let's start with AES encryption. Click on AES and select Encrypt. In the input field, type your message. I'll go with local base 101. Now enter a key or passphrase of your choice. Your encrypted message appears instantly. Now let's decrypt it. Stay in AES, but select decrypt. Paste the encrypted output back into the input field. Enter the same key or passphrase. Now click Run. And there it is. Local base 101 is back. Next up, RSA encryption. Same steps, but no passphrase needed. Type local base 102. Leave the key field empty. Press space once or twice. Then click Run. Here's your encrypted RSA message, much longer than AES. Now let's decrypt it. Paste the encrypted message. Leave the key blank. Key RSA selected. Choose Decrypt. And hit Run. And there it is. Local base 102 decrypted flawlessly. Click Quantum Link. You'll see Alice initiating a key and Bob awaiting connection. This simulates entanglement and quantum key exchange, all visualized in real time. This is the future of encryption.